How to automatically add funds via Binance on 7unlocker.com. Log in to your 7unlocker user account. Next, select the Add Funds option. Choose Crypto, all supported, as the payment method. Enter your deposit amount correctly. Click Next. Click Pay Now. Select Binance as the payment option. Open your Binance app. Select the QR scan option and scan the displayed QR code. Enter the exact payment amount shown. Click Add Note and enter the provided note code. Click Confirm. Enter your Binance Pay PIN. Your funds have been successfully added to your account.